Black Friday and Cyber Monday 2024. This is video introductory about FOOKOO FHD1-Wired, HD Backup Camera System Kit, 7-inch, 1080p, Reversing Monitor plus IP69, Waterproof Rear View Camera. And now, it's currently in the Black Friday and Cyber Monday 2024. When is Black Friday is an annual event just for well-known, that it is shopping time on. And this year, Amazon have selected many products, for the shoppers from all businesses and many brands. Beat the holiday hustle and have fun shopping on your list during Black Friday continued to Cyber Monday. May everyone be happy with Black Friday and Cyber Monday festival this year. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. To find and lead to the item you want. Tip for buy, bookmark from the link in the YouTube description section, and check back for new all details every day. If can't wait? Click Black Friday and Cyber Monday 2024 for shop all of our present details. In this video, it's a overview general video, didn't go into details. If you want to get highlight features and full review of FOOKOO FHD1-Wired, HD Backup Camera System Kit, 7-inch, 1080p, Reversing Monitor plus IP69, Waterproof Rear View Camera. Please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads. See you again with the next video.